VJX official. In these short videos, I would like to show you how wet, rainy, and windy and cloudy Cape Town has been for the past few days. Here I'm driving from the M5 going towards Rondebosch, and I will take an off-ramp in a few seconds from now on the left-hand side. That's actually gets into Rondebosch. Cape Town motorists has just been in a very weird habit. When it's raining, they all slow down. They don't drive fast anymore. As you can see, look at the right hand side. I mean, cars are piling up already. This is the off-ramp I was talking about. On the left there is a golf course. It's called Rondebosch Golf Course. Sorry. Then there's a traffic light right in front. And you would notice on each side there's some yellow poles on each side of the roads. Those are traffic cameras, speed cameras. It's been installed almost everywhere, just to ensure that the speeds in residential areas are a little bit regulated and limited. But yeah, you still get some crazy drivers that disregard all that. Here on the right hand side is the Rondebosch Common. It's a common area. People come and walk their dogs and for evening run and to relax their muscles and all that. But you won't see it properly. On the left hand side is a small private school over there. There's quite a lot of private school in the area, but this is just on this particular road. More speed camera. Those yellow poles that you see over there are also cameras. They do work. So as we're getting into a more residential area, the roads are also getting much more smaller, just to make sure that people don't just be still in that thing of say I'm coming from the highway and can be still speeding. It's getting smaller, and then it went from 3 to 2 to now to 1 lane. Such a lovely place, lovely, beautiful, peaceful place to live. But you have to be alert at all time in South Africa, because robbers, they are always also around, also driving like the rest of us. They're also driving, checking, and if they see that you are sleeping, you're not alert, then they come and hit and go. So one has to be alert all the time, either driving, walking, whatever you be doing. We'll shoot another video on the same road when it's not raining, and you will see the difference. You will see it will be much clearer. You see the houses and everything. Right now it looks much more cloudy because of the rain. Thank you very much for all of you for watching the video. For more videos like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe. My name is Kali, the founder of VJX Corporation. Thank you very much. see you again in another episode.